Hello everyone, this is Gian Viterbo of GadgetPilipinas.net, and we are going to unbox a new device from a new brand, smartphone brand in the Philippines, Happy Mobile. We actually had a meeting this afternoon, November 11, with our friends from Happy Mobile, and they introduced us to their slew of new products which they will be launching on November 23 at the SM North EDSA. It's actually their grand launch on the 23rd, so if you want to swing by, you may want to do that on the 23rd. Now, on to our Oracle. Just to give you a rundown of specs, the Happy Mobile Oracle has a 5-inch HD IPS OGS display. It is octa-core. It is the company's first octa-core device. The frequency is clocked at 1.5 gigahertz, and it has two cameras. The one at the back has 13 megapixels, and the one at the front is 8 megapixels. It is pre-installed with 4.4 KitKat. We will have to check later if there is another UI on top of that. It has a memory of 8 gig plus 1 gig of RAM. Unfortunately, when we checked earlier, the 8 gig or its memory, internal memory, is only stuck at 8 gig, and you cannot increase its memory through a MicroUSB slot, so it's not expandable. Dual SIM, yes, it is dual SIM, dual standby. It is GSM, 3G, and it is quad band. In terms of connectivity, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and OTG USB. So that's going to be a good treat for those of you who wishes to expand their memory through USB devices. In terms of functions, it has multimedia functions. Battery is 2,100 milliamperes and is available in two colors, the silver one and the gold one. We've got the silver one. In terms of accessories, there's headphones, data cable, and charger. So let's go ahead and open this new octa-core device from Happy Mobile. And the Happy Mobile, as mentioned earlier, will be having their grand launch this coming 23rd. Let's open it up. They're handy dandy cutter. There you go. Okay, so this will be our first time to open this. Alright, obviously. There you go, nothing more inside. There's no nib, so we can tip it over, or we can remove it easily. You have to tip it over like that. Here goes our Oracle. Let's see what's inside the box. If there are some freebies inside. Alright, we've got the warranty card. Now, when we discussed, when we had our meeting earlier this afternoon, Happy Mobile was very specific in telling us that they really wish to provide the best service, after-sales service to all their clients. So we'll see about that in the coming weeks after their launch on the 23rd. We've got the quick guide, fairly details everything that you need to know about your new phone. There is a SIM tray removal tool, or the SIM removal tool. We'll use that in a bit. And what else do we have here? I would guess that this is the data cable. Let's see. Okay. It comes in white. Yes, this is the headphone. In-ear headphones. And what else? You've got the white MicroUSB cable. Nice. It comes in white. So expect this to be dirt friendly. What else? And of course we have the charger. Open that in a bit later on. Looks like there's something inside. I would think that this is the free case that they mentioned. Oh yes, it is a free case in blue. I would have wanted it to be black, but why would I complain if it's free, right? If it's a free case, it's good. Set this aside. Let's remove this. There. Happy Mobile Oracle. Oh, has that iPhone-esque display, two-tone look. It says it's QC or quality control passed. Please peel off this mask. Let's do this. All right. And can we also remove this? We'll remove this in a bit because I don't see the necessity of removing it for now. Let's inspect the quality of this cover. This one is in matte, and this one is, of course, you attach the phone in here. And quality seems to be good, I guess. And this one is not. It's attached. It's glued on this plastic container. Let's slip it right in. It's very good. This is a bit wobbly. Okay. And then let's compare it to our Xperia Z3 just for reference. Size is about the same. Alright. Let's try to open it for the very first time. It's weirdly placed. Now, if we put it in here, the tendency is that the buttons are located on the left side, so you will have to press it here. Not very tactile, but yeah, you get the idea. I would have wanted if these switches are placed over on the right side, but it isn't. Just to give you a tour of its looks, right? You'll find the screen here, the 5-inch screen. You have the ambient sensor, you have the camera, you have the speakers, and ambient camera speakers. You have the capacitive buttons in a rather very familiar layout, home, menu, and back. And it's at the back, you'll find the camera, the flash, the microphone, the logo of Happy Mobile, the speakers, and at the bottom you will find another microphone and the MicroUSB port. Up top you will see the 3.5mm headphone jack. Pretty cool. Let's open it up. Happy Mobile. Oh yes. How do you find that? Sounds pretty cool, huh? Right. Looks like it's not vanilla Android because there's a bit of skin, secondary skin. Okay, it's 4.4.2. That's okay, I guess. Alright. Looks good. A bit heavy. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay, so this one's good because it's a smart cover. If you close it, there's probably a magnetic strip right over here. So if you close it, it turns off the screen. If you open it up, it would have been a lot better had they put a window here so that it shows up the clock or the clock, the time. Yeah. So that's it, guys. This has been Gian, and I'd like to ask you some questions. What do you think about this new device from Happy Mobile? And what do you think about Happy Mobile entering in the smartphone industry in the Philippines? I'd like to know your thoughts about this. At 9,999, do you think that this is a value for money phone? Plus, of course, please hit the comments. And if you have any questions, let us know as well. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube page, and also follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook for more information. This has been Gian, and thank you for watching our unboxing of the Happy Mobile Oracle.